Welcome back. In today's video, we are tackling a great algebra problem. We need to solve the equation, open parenthesis, k plus 7, close parenthesis, squared, equals 25. I am going to show you two completely different methods to find the right answer. Let's dive right in. Method 1. We start with the equation, open parenthesis, k plus 7, close parenthesis, squared, equals 25. Using the algebraic identity, open parenthesis, a plus b, close parenthesis, squared, equals a squared, plus 2ab plus b squared. We expand the equation k squared, plus 2 times k times 7, plus 7 squared, equals 25. Simplifying this gives k squared plus 14k plus 49 equals 25. Subtracting 25 from both sides, we get k squared plus 14k plus 24 equals 0. Now, we factor the quadratic equation. We look for two numbers that multiply to 24 and add to 14. These numbers are 12 and 2. We rewrite the equation as k squared plus 12k plus 2k plus 24 equals 0. Grouping the terms, we get k times, open parenthesis, k plus 12, close parenthesis, plus 2 times, open parenthesis, k plus 12, close parenthesis, equals 0. Factoring out the common binomial, we have, open parenthesis, k plus 2, close parenthesis, times, open parenthesis, k plus 12, close parenthesis, equals 0. Solving for k, we find our two solutions. Setting each factor to 0 gives us two equations, k plus 2 equals 0, k equals negative 2, and k plus 12 equals 0. And k equals negative 12. Let's look at another way to solve the same equation. Method 2. Open parenthesis, k plus 7, close parenthesis, squared, equals 25. We can take the square root of both sides. So, the square root of, open parenthesis, k plus 7, close parenthesis, squared, equals the square root of 25. This simplifies to k plus 7 equals plus or minus 5. This gives us two separate linear equations to solve, k plus 7 equals positive 5, and k plus 7 equals negative 5. For the first equation, subtracting 7 from both sides gives k equals positive 5 minus 7, which results in k equals negative 2. For the second equation, subtracting 7 from both sides gives k equals negative 5 minus 7, which results in k equals negative 12. As you can see, both methods give us the exact same solutions. And that is how you solve it. Now, it is your turn to practice. Here is a question for you. What are the solutions to the equation, open parenthesis, m minus 5, close parenthesis, squared, equals 49? Try using either method, and let me know your answers for m in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.